It's currently into stage 1 of load shedding, which will continue until 10 o'clock tonight.
Eskom power woes are far from over. The power utility Eskom has confirmed stage 2 load shedding due to unforeseen technical problems at its power stations.
Load shedding to stage 3 for the first time in 3 months. It announced that it was moving from stage 2 to 3 this
Eskom has begun another weekend of load shedding.
Africa is gearing up for a Black Monday. Eskom says load shedding will kick off next week. Most businesses will be back in full swing and schools start to reopen. Renewed calls have been made for the energy shortage to be declared a national crisis.
For this pizza franchise, when the lights go off, its bottom line is badly affected.
In the country, we have a shortage of generation capacity, so any little problem that arises, unfortunately, gives us a problem.
Chair, because there is a crisis. Load shedding is a crisis. Eskom is in crisis. I'm inclined to believe that maybe that her thought process is on load shedding. Without the energy required to run our industries and the economy, we will surely find ourselves floundering. This is while the rest of the country is wondering how we're going to keep the lights on and our businesses running. As of the latest electricity crisis and the load shedding schedule, how many jobs will be lost? Never too late to start making the right decisions. But let's not fool ourselves and come here and tell a bad story to say there's no crisis.